If you are having trouble checking the paid data in the backend of an e-commerce website, don't worry. I am here to guide you through the process step by step. Proper sale data in the backend is crucial for optimization and it provides clear insight into what drive revenue and customer engagement. Accurate data enable businesses to identify high-performing product, customer performance, and underperforming area, allowing for targeted adjustment to strategies such as refining ad campaign, adjusting budget, or improving product offering. This ensure efficient resource allocation, enhance ROI, and support data-driven decision making to maximize overall sale and profitability. Without this data, decision making is based on assumption, risking waste resource and missed opportunity. In short, backend sale data empower continuous improvement, drive growth, and ensure competitiveness in a dynamic market. Sometimes Google and Analytics fail to track all sale data on daily basis, which make it difficult to identify and optimize campaign properly. To ensure accurate tracking, here are the step-by-step instructions for checking the paid data in Shopify. First of all, you have to search your Shopify and just click on the login. And now you are in the Shopify store. After that, you have to go marketing. Just click on this marketing button. And after that, you will be see here all the channel data. This is the basically direct data. This is a Google search organic data, and this is the paid data which we are looking. Now you can see here in the last 30 days we have tracked 3 purchases from the paid data, and these conversions are the actual conversions. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.